Let's talk about why ITIL is so successful. Now, there's several reasons for this. First and foremost, it's vendor neutral. So what does that mean? Well, whether you work in a bank, hotel, music store, you're interacting with data in some sort of way. For example, when you need a customer's phone number, you may go and search a database. When you want to request vacation time, you probably use an online HR system to send a request. No matter which industry you work in, your organization can implement the ITIL framework. Second, it's non-prescriptive. Although the ITIL framework provides you with a set of suggestions that lead to best practices, you can pick and choose which processes and functions you want to enhance depending on the nature and size of the organization. For example, if you work in an organization with 2,000 people, you may prefer developing an automated HR system for employees to check vacation time. It may be more cost-effective to manage this manually. Lastly, it provides the best practices. Implementing all the processes and functions prescribed in the ITIL publication will allow an organization to carry out best practices. Now, two very important concepts that you will need to understand for ITIL are processes and functions. Let's start by discussing functions. Functions are a set of tasks carried out by a person, process, or a group of people or processes. You can think of functions as units of an organization. For example, HR, IT, finance, marketing, these are all different groups that carry out different functions of an organization. Functions will have self-contained capabilities. When I refer to capabilities, think of specialized skills involved. Now, these capabilities carry out the processes. So you may be asking yourself, what are processes? Processes are a set of activities carried out in a logical sequence to accomplish a task. Now, the most important characteristics of a process are to be measurable, have specific results, should have a customer or stakeholder, and should be responsive to specific triggers. Now let's discuss this with an example. Let's say we need to buy something. Could be desks, pizzas, laptops, anything. In this case, let's say we need some laptops for a new department in our company. In this case, we'll say the measurability is the amount of time it took to find the laptops we wanted, purchase them, and have them shipped to us. The trigger would be, of course, the need for these 30 laptops, and the customer in this case would be the new department because that's who we're buying them for. The specific result would be delivery of the laptops. Okay, so watch this. To sum up this example, the new department determined the need for the laptops and makes a request. Based on the request, we contacted our favorite computer suppliers, collected different prices for different models to meet our requirements, quotes were compared, a decision was made, and a purchase order was sent to the chosen supplier with our terms and conditions. Then, of course, the supplier delivers. These 7 activities form the purchasing process in this case.